Hello guys, this is my third video on C++. In the second video, I taught you guys how to make a boilerplate snippet or boilerplate shortcut. And in this video, I will be talking about variables. So there are many variables. By many types of variables, I mean data types. Like there's an integer variable which you call int. Uh, let's say it is 3. Okay. So whenever you are making a variable, this step is called uh, declaration plus initialization. Okay, one thing I want to say is that this double slash is the way you can write a comment. Comments are basically uh, sentences which are useless to the whole program. They do not affect the program at all. You just write them for your own explanations and reminders. So as you can see, this one is an integer variable. So here we have done two things, which is declaration and initialization. You can also make a mm, let's keep them on the same um, okay, same indentation. So next thing is that you can make a declaration only and then later assign the value, like here y is equal to 4. This one is called initialization. Here you are assigning the value, that is why it is called initialization, and here you are just declaring the value. These are the ways in which you can make a variable, not just integer variable, any type of variable. Now what are these data types? Well, in integer data type you can only make integers, but there are other data types such as float data. uh, you can make decimal values using float data type. There's double. Now what is the difference between a double and a float? Well, uh, a double has a more size than the float, uh, something like bitwise, because I think double has more length than float. There's also long, similar to double, but double has the most length. Long has a little length, but is still more than float. You need semicolon to end the statements. Okay, and then there's a boolean data type. Let what it has only two value, either true or either false. Okay, so you cannot have more than um, more than these two, either true or false. These are the values a boolean variable can have. One thing I need to tell you guys is that there's a addition operation. Like you can add two integers. Like if I make double uh, double b is equal to a plus, let's try printing it how it will be. Okay, uh, cot v end line. Okay, I'm going to print it. I got this. So there was an implicit type conversion, because as you can see, this v has a plus b, and a is a double variable and b is a long variable, so their data type is not matching. So in this case of operation, what happens is that whichever variable's data type is of the greater size, that implicit conversion occur, or and when that happens, double v takes the precedence, because you have double before b, so obviously whatever data type comes out of this a plus b, it is going to be converted to double. This conversion is called, you could call it type casting. Here it was implicit typecasting because you do not explicitly typecast. Now, what is this explicit typecasting? I will make a video on that in next one, or maybe like in the fourth or fifth video. I will tell you guys what is a implicit typecasting. And there is obviously a character, car f, and I'm going, and it is having a semicolon. Here you can write one character. Then there's this string character. Now, one thing you need to know is that a string character, you cannot must have it without this header file called string. I need to add a header file called string here. Okay, only by adding this header file can I make this string. Okay, and the next thing is that which characters I haven't missed. Did I miss any more characters? I have told about, yes, there's also sort. Let's say m is equal to 2. Okay, now I'm writing single letter names, but I can have a word as well. Like I can have a int cow is more is equal to 23. Okay, this cow is more is now 23. Okay, what now? Why is this showing an error? Because I have not given a semicolon here. So can I have like int is 1 is 3? No, I cannot, because a variable cannot start with a number, because there's a 1 here. This one should not be there. If I have one letter onwards, it is allowed, but a number cannot be there at the start of a variable name. This is a rule you need to remember, that a variable cannot be named starting with a this is numbers. I can have numbers later. Also, special characters, like if I have this special character, it's going to give me an error. As you can see, this red line, curved line below this star hash. So special characters are also not allowed, but I can have this. This is not allowed, but I can have this underscore is allowed. Okay, so these are the rules of the variable you need to know. And the next thing is of course, when you're writing the file name, it can have number at the as the first letter. That is not a problem. As you can see here, that I have number 2 as the file name. In the first character, I have the number here. Is there any more data type left? Yes, there are many data types left, and this is the basic video on different types of data types, variables, declaration, and initialization, and how to print them. Printing is simple. There's nothing, just telling their names. And for a string data type, you must have included the string header file. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see what next videos I will make. And please comment if you need a particular topic you may need to know about. I will make videos on them as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.